Maschine Urban Motor's rakish R80. Every year, 120,000 motorcycles roll off the production line in BMW's giant Berlin factory. But some of the most interesting Beamers come from a tiny workshop just 15 kilometers to the east, on the banks of the River Spree. That's where you'll find Urban Motors' Peter Dannenberg, a man who tweaks the lines and details of BMWs and turns them into something extra special. His latest bike is this incredibly honed 87 BMW R80 mono-lever, appropriately dubbed Clean Beam, ER. It was built for a fellow Berliner Johannes, an architect who commissioned it as a 40th birthday present to himself. Johannes wanted a low-riding, short and agile urban racer, says Peter, with some non-racing features for more comfort, like not using clip-ons. Urban Motor dropped the R80's front suspension 2.5 to get a more aggressive stance. Then they upgraded the forks with Wilbur's progressive springs, and added a Wilbur's E-Colleen shock out back. A set of BMW cross-spoke units replaced the stock wheels. Measuring 18 at the front and 17 at the rear, they're fitted with Avon Road Rider AM26 tires for maximum tarmac grip. Urban Motor opted to retain the R80's stock /7 tank, but fabricated a slim tail unit with